Hey girl, I know you said you wanted to start doing your own nails, right? Well, before you spend another penny at the nail salon, look at these nails. They are super luxurious and they cost me less than some dinner. And you know stuff high as heck right now. Even if you're a beginner, you could do these too. So if you ever wanted to start doing your own nails, hey, you are in the right place. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, and y'all already know why I'm here. It's time to get these crusty, dusty, rusty fingernails together. Yeah. And whoever said press-on nails don't last, lie, babes, cause this new growth is new growth thing. Okay, let's get into it. Now, I'm being fancy, y'all. I'm using a soaking bowl, but I used to use Ziploc bags, and honestly, I like the Ziploc bags better. So if that's what you have on hand, if I was you, that's what I would use because it's literally not that deep. If you're wondering why I like the Ziplocs better, it's because they're more flexible. And with this soaking bowl, when I have longer nails, I can't really lay my nails flat at the bottom, and I end up using more acetone. So yeah, I don't really like that, but use whatever works for you. Anyway, girl, I cannot believe I have become a full-time press-on nail girly. I just can't believe I used to be in the nail salon getting my nails done like every 2-3 weeks, and my nails did not used to eat like these press-ons. Just like everything else in the beauty world that has evolved and gotten so much better, so has press-on nails. You literally don't even need to know how to paint or none of that. And guess what? Even though I do know how to paint really good, I actually used to work in a nail shop, but guess what? I'm not doing none of that. I don't even feel like it. I just want my nails to look good. So if you're like me and also can relate, go ahead and give this channel a subscribe because over here we work smarter and not harder, okay? And believe it or not, you gonna have the girlies trying to clock you because your nails gonna stay fly. You gonna have them girls trying to keep up with you. They gonna be trying to keep their nails done and they don't even know you got on press-on nails the whole time. And girl, I know because it's been happening to me. The girlies who never used to keep their nails done. And guess what? Now they coming to work with their nails done. But I love to see it. However, if they just would have asked me, maybe even gave me a compliment instead of just staring at me, I probably would have told them that these are $5 press-on nails from Shein. Clock it. And then again, maybe not, cause y'all know exactly how coworkers be. Don't play. Honestly, y'all, what do you say when you get compliments on your nails? Do you tell them that they are press-ons? Do you just take the compliment and go about your way? Or do you tell them that your friend did them or something? Cause let me be honest, I definitely said all three before. Yeah. Cause when I tell people I have on press-ons, they look at me kind of funny, and I believe that they think I'm talking about the Dollar Tree brand. And yeah, that's exactly where they got me messed up at because anyway, my nails be looking better than theirs. Anyway, y'all, enough with my little rants. These are the three nails that I was trying to choose between. Literally, all of these were so cute. I was having such a hard time picking which one. I actually was on live when recording this, and some of the girlies actually helped me pick which set. Most of them picked the second set, and I must say they have great taste because they turned out super cute. Okay, don't play with them. Y'all already know my prep method, but if you are new here, yes, I do put on sticky tabs first and then I put the glue on top. I have many videos showing you how I do this exactly. Doing it this way just protects your nail beds and it helps so they come off super quick, and also so there's no damage when removing the press-on nails. Okay, let's get into this application, and I find it so much easier if I take off each nail off the sticky pad, so we could just be ready to press and go. And now is the time to make sure all the nails fit nice and snug on your nails, just in case you may have to trim them to make them fit better, even though I didn't have to do that with this set.
Stepped in the club in your hood. I slowly turned left and there you stood. You and your friends talking, but when our eyes connect, moving, it was just like two ways on me. I over your body. That's my goal. So baby, just come down here. Just let the gravity pull you near me. I can read your mind, baby. I can know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. It's alright. Can you feel me? Yeah, it's alright. Yeah. Ooh, baby, I can read your mind. Just me and you right now. Know what you're thinking. Got an idea, baby. Yeah. It's alright. Oh, yeah. It's alright. Yeah. I know you wanna rub. I know you wanna touch. I know you wanna feel.
Okay, now that I am done applying all of those nails, I will be trying out a new product in this video. I will be trying out the Modelones Builder Gel and comparing it to the BT Art Box Builder Gel, which I always use. I noticed that it was much thicker than the BT Art Builder Gel, which I'm hoping makes the nails super strong. Now, I do like the BT Art Builder Gel, however, I noticed like after a week or so, my nails begin to peel. And I only started using the BT Art Builder Gel because it came with my nail kit. So I don't know if that's all the builder gels that peel like that or just that one. So that's why I'm here to test it. And no, you do not need to use a builder gel on top of these nails. They're super durable already. I'm using it for myself because outside of YouTube, I'm a mail carrier. So yes, I'm always banging my hand against something. So I need my nails to be super strong, but if you have a job where you're not doing too much, I promise you will be fine where you do not need to use a builder gel. But if you do use a builder gel, just make sure you paint the sides with the builder gel and up under your nails also. And that would help so it doesn't chip.
Read your mind, baby. Oh, I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking, baby. It's alright with me, baby. It's alright, yes. I can read your mind, baby. I can. I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking, baby. It's alright with me.
Okay, so after putting on the builder gel, I am going to put on a gel top coat. And you do need to put on a gel top coat because if you don't, the builder gel would just stay really sticky. And I actually made that mistake before, and let's just say, yeah, I definitely won't be doing that again.
Lose control over your body. That's my goal. So baby, just come down here. Just let the gravity pull you near me. I can read your mind, baby. I can know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. It's alright. Can you feel me? Yeah, it's alright. Yeah. Ooh, baby, I can read your mind. Just me and you right now. Know what you're thinking. Got an idea, baby. Yeah. It's alright. Oh, yeah. It's alright. I know you wanna rub. I know you wanna touch. I know you wanna feel. So baby, keep it real. I know you wanna see. I know you wanna be in my BD. Grind slowly. I know you wanna rub. I know you wanna touch. I know you wanna feel. So baby, keep it real. I know you wanna see. I know you wanna be in my BD. Grind slowly. I can read your mind, baby. I can read it. I know what you're thinking. I know it's alright. You see, I know you know. 'Cause I get it too, baby. I can read your mind. Just me and you, yeah. I know what you're thinking. I know, yeah. It's alright. You wanna rub. I know you wanna touch. I know you wanna feel. So baby, keep it real. I know you wanna see. I know you wanna be in my BD. Grinding slowly. I know you wanna rub. I know you wanna touch. I know you wanna feel. So baby, keep it real. I know you wanna see. I know you wanna be in my BD. Grinding slowly. You know I want it. Girl, I know you want it.
Finally, I'm just cutting the sides of my real nails underneath because my real nails are shaped in a square and these are almond nails, so you would be able to see them if I didn't do this. So that's what you see me doing here. Now I'm all done, and I must say these came out so freaking pretty. I am in love. Do me a favor, y'all. If you stayed to the end of this video and seen the end result, put me down some fire emojis in the comment section so I know you stayed tuned. Thank ya. If you're still skeptical about press-ons from Shein, girl, don't be. You're literally missing out. These are so easy to apply if you follow the steps, and did I mention I'm saving so much money? I just feel like in this economy, especially right now, we should be trying to save every penny, but that doesn't mean we can't look good. We're just going to look good on a budget. I call it being smart. Honey, because the way I just slapped these $5 handmade press-on nails from Shein, I dread sitting in anybody's shop getting this service done because this was literally too easy. But I truly hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Time to come.